Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to do Excel 2021 in practice chapter 1 advanced project 1 to 7. So basically this is the first chapter of Excel section of this course, and in this video I will be doing this assignment step by step so that you can get done your assignment by watch this complete video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, my WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can contact me either through WhatsApp or email and I can help you for your complete courses. So now we will download this Excel workbook from here. Okay, so our Excel workbook is download. So basically this is the first chapter of this course, and in this video I will be doing this assignment step by step for you. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, my WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can contact me either through WhatsApp or email and I can help you for your complete course, include all the Word, Excel, and Access and PowerPoint assignment. You can ask me help for other courses like accounting, management, finance, business, mathematics, information technology, computer science courses, all other writing assignments, Pearson courses, Cengage courses, etc. So now we will start this assignment. Advanced project 1 to 7. This one. Skill covered in this project you can read in your assignment. We will start from steps to complete this project. First we will check how many total steps in this assignment. So there are total step is 20 in this assignment. So we will start from first step and we will solve all these steps in this video, and you can get done your assignment by watch this complete video. Mark the steps as checked when you complete them. Okay, so our first step is open the workbook BoydLogistics-01 start file. If the workbook opens in protected view, click enable editing in the security bar. So okay, open the BoydLogistics-01 workbook and then click enable editing, this one. So okay, so our step number 1 is done. It was very simple, and we will apply all the instruction and all the step in this Excel workbook, and then we will make the Excel workbook for final submission. Okay, so our step number 1 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is the step number 2. Our step number 2 is the file will be renamed automatically to include your name. Change the project file name if directed to do so by your instructor and save it. Our name is showing here already. So it was nothing anything in this step. So we will move to our next step, that is the step number 3. So our step number 3 is increase the zoom size to 100% and display the grid lines on the screen. We are supposed that increase the zoom size to 100% and display the grid lines on the screen. So it is saying that in this step just increase the zoom size of worksheet to 100% and display the grid line on the worksheet. Okay, so it is very simple and you can solve this one. It is very easy. Go to Excel workbook and then increase the zoom size to 100% of worksheet and then go to view tab and then go to show group and then display the grid line, this one. So our step number 3 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is the step number 4. Our step number 4 is click the name box, type C34 and press enter. This cell has a formula that calculates the net income in a subtraction operation. You can see the formula in the formula bar. We are supposed that click the name box, type C34 and press enter. It is very easy. Just it is seeing that in this step, type C34 in name box and then press enter. It is very easy. So go to Excel workbook and then click on the name box and then type C34 and then press enter. So it is very easy step. So our step number 4 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is step number 5. So our step number 5 is go to cell C12, use sum in this cell with the cell range B8 to B11, include cell B11 even though it is currently blank. So it is the we are supposed that go to cell C12. It is very easy step. Just it is saying that in this step, go to cell C12, just select the cell C12 and then use the sum function in cell C12 and then select the range B8 to B11 and then press enter, and cell B11 is currently blank. Okay, so just simply go to Excel workbook and then select the cell C12. Okay, and then type equal and then use the sum function and then select the range B8 to B11 and then press enter. So our step number 5 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is the step number 6. So our step number 6 is delete one of the zeros in the value in cell B9. We are supposed that delete one of the zeros in the value in cell B9. Just it is saying that in this step, uh, go to Excel sheet and then select cell B9 and then delete one of zero in the value. So simply go to Excel worksheet and then select cell B9 and then delete the one of the zero in this value, from this value. Okay. So our step number 6 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is the step number 7. Our step number 7 is use sum in cell C32 with the expense data in column B. We are supposed that use sum in cell C32 with the expense data in column B. Just it is saying that in this step, select cell C32 and then use the sum function and then select the range of expense data in column B. So it is very easy and we will solve this one now. So go to Excel workbook and then go to cell C32 and then type equal and then use the sum function and then select the range expense data. You can see here expense data of column in column B, B15 to B13, you can see, and then press enter. So our step number 7 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is the step number 8. So our step number 8 is delete row 31. The formula that you looked at earlier has moved up to cell C33 and has adjusted for that location in the sheet. We are suppose that delete row 31. Just simply go to Excel sheet and then select the row 31 and then right click and delete this row. So it is very simple step. So go to Excel sheet and then select the row 31, this one, and then right click and then click on the delete. So our step number 8 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is the step number 9. So our step number 9 is apply number formats and borders. So there are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 part of this step. So first we will solve part A. So our part A is select cells B8 to B11, cells C12, cells B15 to B30, cell C31 and cell C33. So we are supposed that select cells B8 to B11, cell C12, cells B15 to B30, cell C31 and cell C33. Just simply select the cells on the Excel sheet. So go to Excel sheet and first select the range B8 to B11, B8 to B11 and then select the cell C12, press Ctrl and then select cell C12 and then select the cells B15 to B30. Press Ctrl and then select the cells B15 to B30 and then select the cell C31. Press Ctrl and then select cell C31 and then last one cell C33. Press Ctrl and then select the cell C33, this one. So our part A is done. So now we will move to our next part, part B. Our part B is apply the accounting format. We are supposed that apply the accounting format. It is very simple. Go to Excel sheet and then go to home tab and then go to number group and then apply the accounting format, this one. So our part B is done. So now we will move to our next part, part C. Our part C is decrease the decimal twist so that no decimal positions display auto-fit columns as needed. We are supposed that decrease the decimal twist so that no decimal position display auto-fit columns as needed. So just it is saying that in this step uh, decrease the decimal 2 times and so that no decimal position display. So go to Excel sheet and go to number group and then decrease the decimal twist time 2 times, 1 and 2. So here is showing 0 decimal places. Okay, so our part C is done. So now we will move to our next part, part D. So our part D is select cells B9 to B11 and cell B16 to B30. These values need not include the currency symbol. Okay. So we are suppose that select cells B9 to B11 and cells B16 to B30. Just it is saying that in this part, just select these range, these cells. Okay. So go to Excel sheet and first select the cells B9 to B11, B9 to B11 and then select the cells B16 to B30. B16 to B30. Select this range, and so our part D is done. So now we will go to next part E. Our part E is open the format cells dialog box, select accounting and set the symbol to none. We have suppose that open the format cells dialog box, select accounting and set the symbol to none. Just it is seeing that in this part, just go to Excel sheet and then go to home tab and simply go to format cells dialog box and then select the category to accounting and then select the symbol to none. Just it is seeing, it is very simple, very easy. So go to Excel sheet and then go to home tab and then number group and then click on the number format and then select the category to accounting and then select the symbol to none and then click OK. So our part E is done. So now we will move to our next part F. Our part F is apply a bottom border to cell B11, C12, B30 and C31. We suppose that apply a bottom border to cell B11, C12, B30 and C31. It is very easy part and very easy step. Just it is seeing that in this step, select cell B11, C12, B30 and C31 and then apply the bottom border of these cells. So just go to Excel sheet and then select the cell B11 first, select the cell B11 and then go to home tab and then go to font group and then apply the bottom border and then select cell C12, select cell C12 and then again go to font group and then apply the bottom border and then select the cell B30 and C31, select both B30 and C31, select both and then go to font group and then apply the bottom border. So you can see here bottom border and then, so our part F is done. So now we will move to our next part G. Apply a bottom double border to cell C33. We are supposed that apply a bottom double border to cell C33. It is very easy part. Just it is seeing that in this part, select cell C33 and then apply the bottom double border in this cell. Okay. So go to Excel sheet and then select the cell C33 and then go to font group and then go to borders and then apply the bottom double border, this one you can see here. So our step number 9 is done and there are total 20 steps in this assignment and I solve a 9 step in this video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you or if you want me to do this complete course for you, my WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can contact me as a through WhatsApp or email and I can help you for your complete courses. So basically I am available 24 hours for you and my services is available 24 hours for you. I can do your complete, I can help for your complete course, include all the Word, Excel, Access and PowerPoint assignments. You can ask me help for other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, all other writing assignments, Pearson courses, Cengage courses, etc. So you can contact me anytime and you can get done your assignment in your due in your time, and you can get good grade in your assignment. And I can see, you can see grade here. I done already this assignment with 100% grade. You can see here. So you can contact me and you can get good grade. And thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video, and share my video and comment on my videos. So thank you again for watching my video.